Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either allow or not allow nearby devices to access or be synced up to your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to allow or not allow that permission, I'm going to go over that in today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting a Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath Privacy and select Privacy Controls. At the top, you want to select Permission Manager. And then scroll down and you want to select where it says Nearby Devices. Select that. So apps with this permission can find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Select whatever app you want to allow or disallow the permission for, and then you can either select allow or don't allow. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.